Hey, Chuck and Aquatic Artists here. So we are at one of our job sites. I don't get out to as much of these as I'd like to because we're working in such a large area. As you can see, things are moving right along. We're at I think day 2 on this project. Building a deluxe slide, backyard water park. You know, what happens is a lot of times people see, the finished product and they don't see what's involved in getting to that point. So as you can see, we've got boulders spread. That's one of the first things our project managers do. They spread in the team, they spread the rocks out. So as you can see, these rocks are spread out. Over here, got this material all spread out along here so they can pick, so that our artists can pick the right rocks to build these beautiful water features. There's Javier and Manuelo. They're over there, they're picking a rock and then they're strapping it so it can be set in place. So this is a brand new concrete pool that we're working on. I'm gonna step down into the pool. Boom, 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 boom. So as you can see, right? See how tight these are fit? Got a beautiful waterfall there. There's gonna be another one behind it. It's gonna break into the pool. The rocks are gonna kind of follow around, create some nice planting spaces. And then we'll do some boulder walls on the backside. So the team's moving along real nice. The sun's out. Chino! So there's my man Javier setting a boulder. He's gonna build a boulder wall that comes around this whole, so there's a compacted stone base that we put down with our little large tamper, and it creates a nice foundation for this. There's, like I say, there's 150 tons of material here, so we're creating a nice foundation, and he's gonna build a wall, and you can see the blue paint right here. He's gonna follow that all the way around. So as you can see, that slide is 6-7 feet tall. Okay, so this whole footprint of this deluxe project is gonna come back about 16 to 18 feet back, and it's gonna be 25 to 30 foot wide. So as you can see, there's a lot going on here. And then what happens is we work with different pool companies, and they run the plumbing lines over to here, and then we'll tap it in. He's got a 3-way valve over here. One's for the slide, one's for the waterfall, and then we'll cover that up.